This is the Hershey's Build Your Own Chocolate Cookie App. We're gonna try our best to do it like the box. The tools today are some toothpicks, a little knife, and some scissors. And a lot of paper towels.
This is a skill level 2.
2 Hershey Kisses.
Hey, who's gonna open this?
Me. Oh, dang. Abby.
Okay, yeah, we should have a packet of icing, Hershey bar, and some Hershey Kisses. They gave us an extra one.
It says 3.
It shows 2. I'm reading hieroglyphs again.
We have to need this for 2 minutes.
We should separate the ghosts.
That's Abby's job.
Pumpkin, ghosts, and bats in here, right? Let me see those instructions.
Don't read the hieroglyphs.
Well, let's test it right here. That's good enough?
Yeah.
All right.
I want to try it.
Who wants to do the first one? I would do the sides because then you don't have to worry.
Yeah, it's definitely that.
We want it like that instead of like that, right?
Yeah. Well, you guys are always right, so.
Is that hard?
Yeah.
You gotta hold it.
Right there?
Yeah, don't even put pressure. Okay.
Now we need the roof.
You want to ice that?
Do it on this side?
Mm-hmm. Watch your hand on this one.
It goes this way. 2, 3. Put the stuff in the middle. Okay, wait. Should we do it like that or should we do like drips? Stop saying drip. I like the word drips.
Every other one?
Every other, yeah. Dad, you're not doing every other one.
Now I'm gonna trim this out.
Can I do the door? This is so pretty. What's the doorknob? Doorknob is supposed to be back. Can we only decorate the front and not decorate the back? Oh, Mallory.
You're just trying to eat chocolate, Mallory. Did you eat a Hershey?
No, put it up here. No, we only have 4 Hershey's. 1, 2, 3, 4. That stick it perfectly. You put a hole through it. Actually, I did that. Yes.
Mallory, you need to chill.
The bats on there.
Wait, why are some of these bats upside down?
Okay, that's actually. No, it's not. I didn't put any of the
Yeah,
bats
look at
on.
this one. This one's upside down.
That was Mally. That was all Mally.
Oh, I like the ghost right here along the back trim
That was
on the
me.
roof. That's very nice. And right there.
This is the finished product.
We can give it to some kid when they come trick or treating.
Oh, it's crazy.
Give it a shot. There's still time. Happy Halloween! We're not even ready.
Stop, because that gave me anxiety.